What's up guys, breaking news, the most controversial Galaxy S21 leak is here. You're looking at the real life visual representation of Galaxy S21's unboxing experience. I've unboxed so many phones in my YouTube career and this truly feels like an end of an era. Samsung is indeed following Apple after making fun of them. Previously we used to get so much stuff out of a Samsung box. Like other than charger and headphones, we had that Type-C converter, a SIM ejector tool, extra buds for your headphones, and even a protective case for some markets. Now all of that is gone, and obviously Samsung will say that they're doing it for environment, but obviously it's gonna make them a lot of money. So by doing this move, Samsung has made the box slightly slimmer compared to their previous boxes, and they have a S logo up front, which is color coordinated with the color of your Samsung smartphone. So for example, if you buy the S21 in violet color, the S will have that matching color similarly to the black model. I think that's definitely a neat touch, and beyond the S logo we have the 21 logo, so they're not exactly next to each other. And then of course at the bottom we have the S21 Plus 5G model logo. Of course with the Ultra, the text will say Ultra, pretty obvious. So yeah, they made the box prettier, but no charger, no headphones. Now to be fair, Samsung isn't as evil as Apple. They're giving away a free Galaxy Buds Pro as well as Galaxy Smart Tag as a pre-order gift. Again, emphasis on pre-order. This is not a full-time deal. So once that ends, you're definitely not gonna get anything. Still, this move is a lot better than what Apple has done. And Samsung has a Type-C port, so there's a big chance that most people already have a fast charger lying around their house. Anyways, we saw this coming, but what we did not expected is the removal of micro SD card slot. Yes, with the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, you will not get the SD card slot for storage expansion. Samsung is giving 128 and 256 GB storage options, so if you want more storage, you have to buy the 256 GB model. Die-hard Samsung fans will definitely not gonna like this one. Now it is still coming with the S21 Ultra. Ultra is indeed Samsung's golden boy. It's retaining all the features and upgrades. Now we have some more marketing material leaks, so 5G speeds will be pretty epic. With the S21 Ultra, you get 512 gigs of internal memory with 16 gigs of RAM. With the S21 and S21 Plus, there's a 64 megapixel lens for sharper photos, IP68 certification for all Galaxy S21 devices with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The dual lens system is confirmed. More improvements coming into the night mode. Wow, I'm actually really liking the colors on this picture. Also in the news, for those who want the S Pen on their S21 Ultra, you can indeed store it pretty comfortably. This is the case that will allow you to do this seamlessly, and honestly looking at this, I'm a little bit less confident about the Galaxy Note because this actually looks so good and so easy to carry. The S Pen of the S21 Ultra will give you all the features minus those remote Note features, so you won't be able to take selfies from a distance or do certain things that a Bluetooth S Pen can do. Still, it will be pretty feature packed with some air commands built in. Honestly, a great addition to the S21 Ultra, but it doesn't look all that good for the Note flagship. So that's all the news, guys. Stay tuned for all the awesome content that is coming. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe. And in case you don't know, today is the day Exynos 2100 will get officially announced. Samsung has posted a brand new teaser trailer pretty much addressing the failure of Exynos 990 from last year head on. They're completely admitting their mistake and they want to get back to the top level. In about 4 hours, the event will happen, so I'm really excited for that. We'll definitely make a separate video. And yeah, this is all what we have. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.